year that they carry the waka, they come. Now the whole world is celebrate. They recognize the World Cancer Day. And today we come bring one of Bonge come our studio today. Make it she come begin to talk about the organization and the health problem and the health situation for the country and the world. And what they concern the organization, what they concern today, we concern what we they talk about today, we be World Cancer Day. And we get somebody here what they call Constance in here, the director of Better Health Initiative. You're welcome.
Thank you.
My name still remains Nosakari Egenayorin. And today we will begin talk plenty of Boge matter. And the program what would they bring in this matter they come so now would they call As It Dey Be for we Kontri Naija. So my sister, you're welcome.
Thank you very much.
And today team, now how you be yourself? How you bring them? You say today team now waiting.
Today team now closing the care gap.
Bakam. Tell our people how you do on the conscience.
So why they choose this theme for today's World Cancer Day now because we don't find out say so many people will get this deadly disease. Yes. Even the people where they care for them, all of them they face waiting what they call barrier challenges on how they want to receive treatment. Yeah. So this year's theme now make people know how they go fit to break these barriers. Okay. And these barriers many. Age day, sex day, gender day, money safe to receive treatment still join. Yeah. So this year's theme now to raise awareness, wetin we as individuals fit do, wetin government fit do, make these cancer patients, including people where they care for them, to make their lives easy.
Okay. So how far now though, when this organization matter come up?
Okay, we start for 2018. Okay. Yes.
So you don't begin the waka inside all this while they chook leg inside the waka they come. So how the matter don't they affect positively for the lives of people who concern this crusade what they do against how the cancer matter they come up?
So when we start this initiative, we first go marketplaces for Benin. We go Santana Market, we go New Market, we go New Benin Market. We go talk to traders, make them know about this sickness, wetin dey cause am, and how they fit take prevent am. We also go Ira Specialist Teaching Hospital to go see people wey get this disease, go offer moral support to them because most of them, as they get the disease, they don't feel say okay they go die. So their emotions, we need work on their emotions. So now that program will first take kick off 2018 and we'll call the program Cancer Enlightenment Campaign.
Okay.
Yes.
Every year now they get team?
Every 4 years, now they bring new team.
Okay.
This year, 2022, now the beginning of this team.
Okay.
Yes.
So wait till I don't find out because the cancer issue don't too spread and don't too much. What did they mainly cause am?
Okay, you see, cancer. Nobody don't fit come talk say na this particular thing they cause cancer.
Okay.
But we know say them get wetin we dey call risk factors. They go tell you say as a man, even women now because some women they smoke, they'll say avoid excessive intake of tobacco. No dey drink too much. People where they go people house go tell them say we wan come put network mass for your house, they pay you, they go they happy. All those things, all those radioactive waves, they very harmful. Yes. They're not supposed to put those things for residential areas. So we don't learn now say at least make we not they consume all these canned foods. Try make you they eat fresh foods, vegetables, fruits. They try live healthy life. Okay. They tell women say at the age of 25, at least go clinic, go do mammogram.
Okay. If you know, mammogram?
Okay, mammogram na screening for breast to check if any lump dey.
Oh wait, now you don't bring how you call yours now breast?
Yes.
Okay, now if they do screening for breast, like me like breast. If my wife, because me and my children they drag my wife breast. you wan make me understand now say na risk I dey to put am for man begin soccer.
No, not be risk at all.
So if anything happen there, she no know, me no know. Me when the soccer, how e dey be?
For you wey dey suck am, no effect for you.
Are you sure?
Yes, very sure, no effect. So even if you come say to go hospital, go do mammogram, na long process for me o. E get wetin we dey call self-examination.
Okay.
You by yourself fit raise your hand up, check for lump.
Okay.
Once you see anything wey be like seed for your breast,
Okay.
we dey advise say go hospital, make doctor check am, tell you say nothing dey na normal o, or something dey, come do mammogram o, to be on the safe side.
Like the mask wey you talk about yours now, maybe all these telecommunications
Yes.
mask. Okay, now, like my house, they put am that time where they newly come, and it come dey behind my window gone. So you want tell me now say me will get the window as a den, or even my father window for
Dey
up,
at
or
risk.
it dey at risk. But they pay us.
Na be the thing na. Once they come say they wan pay una go accept, which is wrong.
Yeah.
All those things not supposed dey residential area.
Okay. So how best to take get network if they go put on place like Ologbo, and we there, and you know they this vicinity, or they put on place like Oworishoki, and we there for Aja. I will take get network if you not dey close to us.
Una go get network because you see for civilized countries, all these things not dey residential areas.
Yes.
So e get the way if really they wan make network dey, e get the way they suppose fit take do am, wey no go put people at risk.
Okay.
Not be everybody dey accept. That make if you discover now the rate of all these sicknesses, e dey increase because of all these things. Like 20 years ago, all these things not really dey houses. But with all this new development, new harmful developments wey come dey come, you see say the rate of all these sicknesses now dey skyrocket.
Okay, more carry waka enter microwave.
Yes.
At least I don't dey hear am, but today e be like say you go tell our people, because you know people they believe, they fear. They go say if you put use rubber, put food for microwave, if it too heat, it dey cause cancer. Some people say maybe they use broken plates. Some go just come different ideas and different explanations. I want make you tell our people, microwave get negative effect on person when it comes to this issue of cancer.
Microwave not be wetin you suppose to dey use all the time. That make oyibo go say too much of everything is bad. Anything wey you dey use at all, by the time you abuse am, negative intake must come. So this microwave of a thing, e no be wetin you suppose to just dey use all the time. And if at all, we go advise say no put your food for plastic bags or plastic container. Microwave so get im own can wey the heat no dey affect.
And wetin be that
plastic.
can? Na can na rubber be na plastic.
No be rubber.
You know say plastic is different from rubber.
Yes.
Okay.
E get the way they take do am. You go see am, they go write am say microwavable. They go write am put for the plastic.
You know say this country, if somebody like me do that kind of thing now, write and say microwave or whatever, they not go buy. If we both bring out, they go buy them. But what would they try to talk about? So see, the microwave wey they talk about, me don't see travel small. I don't see and say they don't use microwave for obodo yibo, but we Igbo they do the microwave for now.
Now we dey use am pass.
So
yes.
now, how come they do which health organization approve that thing where they take the microwave where people come rely upon say when you use this one, it dey pure say this one will work. Why?
You see, now this thing I be the problem so, because like you said, even the oyibo wey do the microwave, na here now we dey see the thing as good.
Yeah.
All those people don't really dey civilized to know say okay, all these things dey harmful, so they no even dey use am if at all. So if at all you as a person you see say okay, you no fit stay without this microwave o, maybe you go work, you come o, you don busy, you no fit want food o, at least use the microwavable plastic, at least cover your food.
Wetin approve am?
Wetin
approve that thing wey be say that one alone no fit cause cancer?
Because no be plastic,
okay.
E no fit melt, no be rubber,
okay.
so to say.
Okay.
E get the way e be, e no fit break.
Okay.
e no fit melt, e get im own cover, and at least if you dey microwave, you say your food don hot small, you remove am, no be say you go leave am there till the rubber start to dey melt.
We fit tell our people wetin other areas wey be say e dey generate this cancer, because we get different types of cancer. There is see pancreas, there is see so many of these things. Breast cancer, because that breast one, if you dey talk am, e dey affect me because e dey make me dey fear now.
Okay.
Now, so many things wey dey cause this cancer. You fit tell our people wetin this cancer matter dey come up, because e be like say na women matter. Now women are the year say they get cancer. Men are the year am, but mainly for women
yes,
matter. So why e be like that?
You know the way women matter be breast cancer of a thing, so men get am too o.
Okay, now they talk, I say women.
Yes, but e be like say na women dey suffer the thing. Na women dey suffer the thing pass. Because this breast cancer, out of all the cancer, na this breast cancer na be the most common.
Why be say na where food dey, na the thing go settle that food?
That's how we see am.
Oh yeah, na.
So this breast cancer na common pass. Men get breast cancer too.
Okay.
But most people no know.
Not common.
Although e not common, but man fit still get breast cancer.
Okay.
So like I said before, we not really know why. We not really know. Okay. But all we know be say risk factors dey. Okay. Make everybody try avoid these risk factors.
Okay. Now, today na World Cancer Day. Your organization don dey exist since. Before we begin talk this one, make we carry waka enter market, make we do small commercial to our people, and when we come back, we go begin dey talk about the organization. Today matter dey be for the 4th of February every year, not be every year.
Yeah.
So my people, I dey with Constance Eniaro, since she na director of one organization wey be say e dey put body, dey shook leg, dey carry ogbonge body, dey put for this whole matter, for cancer matter, to make sure say when the crusade dey happen, when they begin dey tell our people how e dey be, we go begin dey take softly matter, so that make the thing no come dey generate, may not come dey increase. So my name still remain Nosahari Egenayore, TMC TV. We dey come back.
Cakes are special, and they make your occasion special too. Can you imagine a party without a cake? A beautifully well-made cake will surely add color and flavor to your celebration. At Cake Lounge, our cakes are well baked with special and unique ingredients to give you that satisfactory flavor and look. From the mixing of the batter to baking and finishing, our professional bakers put in extra care to make sure you are satisfied. At Cake Lounge, we have cakes for your birthday celebration, wedding celebration, and anniversary parties. Call us for that tasty and customized cake for any occasion on 0807 777 7291 or visit us at Cake Lounge, 51 Airport Road, Benin City, Edo State. Cake Lounge, the home of tasty cakes.
My people will not come back again. So we could carry waka enter commercial where they come market. We don't see the market level. We say we could return back to our studio. We begin to tell on how it did before here. Today I still remember, could not forget saying a World Cancer Day. I will deal with Constance Eniaro. She go begin to put mouth, they shook mouth for all the things where they don't do. And the organization don't begin to help since where they for help, where they get positive impact for people body. We they call it positive impact. We they call it what they don't chook for people body. And we deal with Constance today. And Constance, you begin to tell our people how they be. So you fit tell them say, our organization don't take help people. My name still remain Nosahari Egenayore. So you're welcome.
Thank you. So for World Cancer Day 2020, we come partner with Edo State Ministry of Health.
Okay.
We still partner with Power Oil. So for Edo State Ministry of Health, we set up for there. When they do free cholesterol check for people.
Yeah.
We carry doctors go there. We carry equipment, carry machines go there. They check for people sugar level, their cholesterol level, their blood pressure. All these things now waiting as humans we supposed to they check from time to time. So na that one we do for World Cancer Day 2020. Then during our unveiling, we come partner with Wezosa Greenhouse Farm. Dem dey sell all these cucumber, tomatoes and all these healthy things. So we come with nutritionists wey come teach people how dem go take fit dey eat healthy, dey incorporate all these vegetables for diet. So these farm people, dey come with their things, come share for people, make people know say okay, to eat fresh food no dey far, see where dem dey and how dem fit take supply you even though you dey house. So for World Cancer Day last year, we come partner with Edo Specialist Hospital. So we carry women go there wey wan do free breast examination, women wey dey concerned about one or two symptoms wey dem dey get. So they go the hospital, they see doctors, they do test for them, everything na free. So anytime we dey try do test, we dey do am in a way.
It's all like your organization now.
Yes. So when we dey do all these screenings, we dey do am because most traders go say they wan go chop o, they wan use their money take chop o, they no get money to take do screening. And you know this thing na grassroots. Na these traders really need to know say okay, this cancer dey exist. So all these free screenings na to help them in case they no get money o, or they no get the time o. You know say na Nigeria we dey people like free thing. So once they know say okay, this thing na free, you no dey pay, all you need to do na to just come, we go do the screening for you, they go come. So we still dey do social media awareness, dey contact people wey dey talk for social media, wey dey call influencers. All those people dey do videos, dey post am, dey tag us, make people dey share, dey know how they fit take live healthy and how they fit take avoid this cancer of a thing.
Na don work out.
Thank you.
Na don work out. Wetin be the result?
Okay, now we get wetin we get database where all these people, so we dey collect their names, their phone number, dey check up on them from time to time. And we also get people wey go say okay, as I do this free screening, my sister come say she wan do, or this one come say so all these people, so wey dey learn about all these things, them too dey spread the word. So more people dey come for screenings. As we do that program for those specialist hospitals, so the doctor dey call us say okay, more women on their own now dey go for screening. So we don, our aim for this Better Health initiative na we get 3 call to action. We get awareness, na be wetin we dey do. So early detection, because cancer no dey kill again. If you quick know, you treat am, you don well. And we get treatment support. So for people wey really not too get, wey need money but they get this sickness, our organization dey come together to help them with their treatment. That's money wey they go take undergo
okay,
treatment.
wait, so the early level of cancer, how person fit know? Say before you can reach the level where you can begin to buy person, how person fit know from the generation?
Okay, so cancer get 4 stages, stage 1 to stage 4. Once you don reach stage 4, na that one be say okay, nobody fit help you.
Okay, I will tell our people.
Yes. So the first stage for the breast cancer of a thing, once you see small lump, you go know when something like seed dey your breast na. Okay. So as you see am say this thing small, some people go leave am till the lump don dey big, or some go dey do native medicine. That one na another topic on e own. When the breast don start to dey decay, before they go come go hospital. So once you say okay, this thing small, go check am. Once you fit detect am early, na be that early detection, so then you go know say okay, nothing bad, they go fit treat am and you go fit go back to the way wey you first dey live. So any sickness at all must start with symptom. You no go get how you go just wake up overnight see say this thing don come worse o. E go first start small. But Nigerians now, until you no fit get up from bed again before you go hospital. So we no get the culture of this thing dey do me o, may I quickly go check am for hospital. Na make we always dey preach early detection. Anything wey dey do you at all, na headache o, anything. Self medication no good. Say okay, I dey feel headache, make I go buy medicine. You no know whether na headache you get. So make we try cultivate this habit of dey go hospital, dey do checkup.
Which one be prostate? They hear prostate cancer. Which one be prostate cancer?
Prostate cancer na man e dey affect.
Okay.
Prostate cancer na the penis.
Okay, that's the Ebola.
Yes.
Okay. So I tell they happen because me, I be man. Now, if you reach my matter, I go know. If you reach my matter, only one place, which is that place where they talk sense, which is this one.
Yes.
But this one are for man now. Wait, how the man want to know say, this thing don't they happen. Make I begin follow and make it not increase personally. Because now when it increase, they kill.
Yes.
Now when it increase, they create avenue for negative life.
Yes.
Now, I want to know say they happen.
Okay, for man, you go see sometimes say something will be like pus.
From where?
Something will be like pus. Go they come out from your penis.
Jesus.
At times the thing go
That
make
one
they
gonorrhea.
say now that one I be the self medication so.
That
Some go
gonorrhea.
just see that one say okay na gonorrhea. No, you go hospital make they tell you say okay see wetin dey cause am. But by the time you see that kind thing so they come out from your penis, that thing will be like pus. Or you go see say the tip don red, something like rashes don dey. Go hospital. Or when you dey urinate, you dey experience pain, severe pain. So all these things na symptoms
of prostate
cancer. Yeah.
Solution.
Na to go hospital.
Find out what they happen.
Yes.
Your organization, I mean, often are the organization.
Okay,
that group thing.
Yes.
And so where it spread reach. Today na World Cancer Day.
Day.
So now, as you dey here, so I know so your people don't begin the day everywhere. They crusade. Because last year, 2018, I joined una parade everywhere for the city. So now this year, you dey here today as the madam and the Oga Patapata, the director where they. Your people now, the sensitization, which area they don't go today?
Okay. Today now, as I dey here, we get what they call volunteers. All these people, they know they pay them. Now people will just say, okay, they like this work, they don't like sickness, so they won't create awareness, so some day school. So some don't even marry self. Some na big men, some na big women. Those ones now they call volunteers. As I dey here now, some of all these volunteers dey Akpakpava. They don't print IC materials. Wetin they call information.
It be like so na send I enter my phone today.
Yes.
You say the day Akpakpava for Benin, the day Ring Road for Benin, for Lagos the day Bariga and Orishoki, which that one near each other. The day Ikoyi, the day for Lekki area. Then the wetin I see today, there's one day for Mataman, for Odo for Mataman, on a day for Asokoro. It be like so na spread around the whole country.
Yes, but our base now na Benin.
Edo.
For now,
Edo.
na Edo State.
Okay, wait to be na collabo. Edo State Government and Ministry of Health.
Yes.
Wait to be na collabo. Since na here una start and for this place where they so, una don collabo with different ministries and all that. What the government they do about una?
Okay, so far the government don't really help us. Because when we first do that cancer enlightenment campaign for 2018, now we tell government say okay, see what we want do. And government let us know see how we fit come in. So government now mobilize us, give us buses, even for Ministry of
to
Health.
create awareness.
Yes.
Okay. So today we come.
Today we just this year's program.
Yes.
Now just wetin we dey do by ourselves.
Una just
Yes,
individual
we not
contribution.
really do collabo with any organization this year. Okay. But we get so many people where they collabo with us.
Yes.
We get those state governments #1.
But they said they don't collabo.
If
If they dey no, wetin we dey look? Election don dey come. You know say these people. Now we reach election period. Now organization they enjoy them. Your organization today, what you call it just now? World Cancer Day. It will go happen on the 4th. That will be before 16th. 16th year, next year February na election. So this year they not go answer you now. I know say next year on the 4th the one begin the join your program to put money, put collabo, put body for this matter that they are style. But what we they talking about sir today?
Yeah.
Who don't collabo with you? Because when they talk, say they analyze to us for this studio. We don't understand. Say now bonge matter now they do, now bonge thing now they do. Now they drag in the way things go bring solution. And these people suppose they go through now to put more solution so that solution will become solution and solution will become solution and solution go the worker, solution go the escorter and solution go receiver. So waiting these people don't do so far as at 2022 for your organization.
Okay, you see the way collabo they work.
Yeah.
We get people wey be say we dey call them partners. So e no mean say anytime when you wan do something now, all these people must come together. But you know say okay, these people na my partners for the organization. Like I been dey talk before, we get Edo State government number 1, Edo State Ministry of Health, West Hosa Greenhouse Farm,
Okay.
Power Oil na another ogbonge sponsor
Yes.
for our organization.
Yes.
We get even Ameosa Motors.
Okay.
When we dey do when we need mobility like this, e dey give us buses.
Yes.
We get celebrity fitness gym.
Okay.
So we get many people wey be say dey support us one way or the other. World Cancer dey not be the only day wey we dey do program in a year. Cancer awareness month dey come October, we go still do another program.
Okay.
So once we see say need to do program dey, we do. So e no mean say we always dey wait for February 4th
So,
time like this. Yeah.
you fit tell our people how una don already get it back to improve and to collaborate with different agencies, how things go take work. Tell our people and waiting they go they take. This cancer may not begin to come up, and tell our people say make you give them some more advice on how they maintain their health wise so that make this thing not increase.
Okay. We no go stop to dey tell una say make una try dey eat healthy. Make una try dey work out. Wetin I mean by work out be say make una try dey do exercise no matter how small. If you chop finish, instead of you to yawn lie down sleep, at least take a walk. Dey incorporate all these vegetables, fruits for your diet. No mean say you go just eat starch for morning, eat carbohydrates for evening, you wan sleep again, you still eat eba. Make we try dey eat healthy because this one na one of the major aspects wey we fit take avoid wetin we dey call cancer. And another thing be say make we no dey expose ourselves too much to wetin we dey call this radioactive wave, all these harmful carbon dioxide, all these harmful substances. Make we no dey, for men, women sef, make we no dey drink too much, dey smoke too much. All these things dey cause cancer. So we don start the good work and we dey pray make God give us the strength to take finish am. Sensitization, enligh ten ment, all these things no dey ever dey too much. We dey call on more volunteers, we dey call on more partners, we dey call on more sponsors. You know say you no like sickness, you no like to see say people dey sick, people dey suffer, you wan assist, we dey call on all of una, all the philanthropists, even medical doctors sef. You wan join our team dey help us when we dey do program to enligh ten people, we still dey call on all of una make una come help and join better health initiative to fight and kick against cancer.
You don't help us go market. You don't market finish. But you get one thing I go remind you. Know how people they always put earphone, iPhone, AirPod for ear. All those one they cause cancer.
Their phone go dey charge, they go still dey receive call.
Some put am near their head where they sleep.
Yes.
In case
now all those things be the radioactive wave wey we dey talk.
So all those things not good.
At all.
So what are those one wey be say they put am for ear, that they jog and they still they run join am. They hear music and call come. They go those things is still good.
Even aside cancer, how you go put something for ear sef dey run for road?
So very bad.
What if motor dey own aside cancer now? How you wan take it?
My people, we don't waka enter cancer matter. We don't yarn, we don't talk with Constance, Madam Constance. We dey call her Madam, you know why? When she be young girl, we dey call her Constance. And when she waka enter home, she no gree waka because many people waka enter home, they no waka come out again. We dey call them Madam. Now when be say things come bad, we can't change the name to Lady. You know say don't come up from home, don't dey outside. So we dey with Madam Constance Eniaro, director of waiting again.
Better health.
Better health. You say na better health. You know why I know they call her because now Matt dey sweet pass. So we don't carry her come, make she come begin to talk about wetin dey happen for cancer matter, health matter, wetin concern human beings, how they be, how you go take forget them, how you not go to do them, how you go they manage with them, how you not go take and wear jacket and wear water for your body, make it big. Everybody begin to sing for you. She talk about say not smoke anyhow, make you not begin to take drink anyhow. Anywhere where be say they fry something too much, make you not to the near there. He said for that thing where they bring network, you say MTN mask, Glow mask, Airtel mask near my house. I get network. He said na disaster it be oh. You have to be very, very careful. So she don't put mat, she chook mat for everywhere. Talk mask in the be. We don't listen to Ram. Or not listen to Ram in the be. Me said me can't even learn because of that thing when he talk say when you two they put this thing for mat, though it not go affect you too much. Oh, now they give you the thing, now they affect where. You know what thing they talk about. My name still remain no Sakari Egenayori TMC TV.
Cakes are special and they make your occasion special too. Can you imagine a party without a cake? A beautifully well-made cake will surely add color and flavor to your celebration. At Cake Lounge, our cakes are well baked with special and unique ingredients to give you that satisfactory flavor and look. From the mixing of the batter to baking and finishing, our professional bakers put in extra care to make sure you are satisfied. At Cake Lounge, we have cakes for your birthday celebration, wedding celebration, and anniversary parties. Call us for that tasty and customized cake for any occasion on 0807 777 7291 or visit us at Cake Lounge, 51 Airport Road, Benin City, Edo State. Cake Lounge, the home of tasty cakes.